Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy crochet curtain designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts as you can see. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet curtain designs. Most beautiful designs and ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet curtain design. Beautiful patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and stylish crochet soft curtain designs, beautiful patterns. You can easily make these very beautiful curtains if you know crochet work. Stylish ideas, beautiful border designs. You can decorate your room, your lounge with your beautiful and stylish crochet curtains with matching bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, sofa covers, blankets. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories also. Best top designer ideas, top 50 designer ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful curtains, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful curtains online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy crochet curtain designs. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and stylish crochet curtains? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.